once I remove, I'll show it. This one here is broken, so you can see that this sound, it's broken. And the second problem is this one. This also is broken. And here also one more was removed. So I think you can see this, it's almost out. The only thing why now we need to remove is these 6 screws. You need the key. Without key you cannot replace it. So this tank has been used for almost 1 lakh kilometers, and this tank cap has been used for almost 1 lakh kilometers. Oh my god, look at the dust. So I just clean up. First thing is just cover it here with something, or else there could be a chances that water or something could enter. Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel for a new vlog. So today I want to replace my tank cap because what has happened is there's 2 problems. One is the thread here which is got broken. You can see there. Once I remove, I'll show it. This one here is broken, so you can see that this sound, it's broken. And the second problem is this one. This also is broken. So these 2 reasons I'm replacing my tank cap. So let's do it and see how do we replace our tank cap. So I think first thing is we need to remove this panel, only this panel, not the tank. The on top of this tank there's panel sits, so we need to remove this panel and remove all these bolts, 6 bolts. So that's the procedure, how to remove your tank panel, and then we can remove our tank cap. So no need to remove our fuel tank can be here only, so that's a good advantage. So we are not removing the fuel tank. I'll show you how we'll go with it. So first things, remove the seats. The rear is already removed. Now we need to remove the front, so you can see how it goes. So the seat covers are removed. Next we'll remove the side panels. Already removed my front, this one, windshield, because you might be wondering what is this supposed to do, because there was 2 rubber mounts which had got cut. So I ordered them. Until it comes fixed like this state only. So once it comes I will be fitting it back. So before it comes I thought let me fix my tank cap issue. So now next is to remove these side panels, left and right, which I've shown you previously. So there are 2 bolts here and another 3 bolts here, you can see. So we'll get back once I remove both the side panels, this and also on the left side. Okay, you can see the side panels are removed. So next we need to remove the mounting screws, this and this panel also come out, so you can see this screw, and here one more screw. Yeah, for now this much only. Yeah, there's 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. This also has to come out, so all this has to come out. Same on the other side. You can see this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, all this has to come out, and also this panel. So let's remove it and see how does it go. Okay, so all the screws you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 have been removed, and here also one more was removed. So I think you can see this, it's almost out. The only thing why now we need to remove is this 6 screws. Okay, next so now we need to remove these 6 screws which are holding the tank, and once we are done I think it will come out easily. And we also have to open this, yeah, this also needs to be opened. Yeah, that's done. Is it really? Okay, and we need to this panel removed, we need to disconnect this wire, which I can see this, just pull it out, and the same way disconnect this evap. I think this goes as a evap, not no, this is not the evap, this is the excess fuel out. Yeah, this will take out the excess fuel, and this is for the evap. So these two things we need to remove. Yeah, I can see now. Yeah, this one. This also is just again pull it out and it comes out easily. Yeah, these two we need to remove, and on this screw for 6 screws, and we'll be able to remove our tank. Okay, oh, this is coming out. Yeah, so now all the 6 screws here been removed, and I've disconnected this hose, and also you can see this has also been disconnected. You can see tank easily slides out. Yes, that's how the tank slides out easily. So the tank has came out easily. So next thing is we need to push this inside and remove it. So this is out, and this is the rubber holding for this tank. You can fit it back, and you can see this, or you can remove this one, this hose, by just pulling it out. And this is the same thing, just press it out and it will come out. The hose is out. So finally tank cap is out, but you need the key. Without key you cannot replace it. So this tank has been used for almost 1 lakh kilometers, and this tank cap has been used for almost 1 lakh kilometers, and some issues right now, but still works. But there is some issue like this, it keeps fluttering. And one more problem is, so you can see this part, it's broken inside. You can hear this sound. So once I dismantle, I can show how is it broken inside. So next thing is we need to completely disassemble this lock and remove this lock and put it into the new tank cap, so which I will be showing. And we also have this rubber housing, just be careful so it falls off. So it just places here, and this is the tank, how it is. Oh my god, look at the dust. So I just clean up. First thing is just cover it here with something, or else and there could be a chances that water or something could enter, so be careful with that. Okay, I just clean my tank. You can see how much amount of dust. You should not water wash it, just clean it with a cloth or slightly wet and you can clean it. So this is done and I've covered it with a cloth for now, clean cloth. Yeah, that's how you remove the tank cap for your Multistrada. Usually to remove the tank, you don't need to remove the tank cap, so it comes together, but this time I had to replace the tank cap. That's why I needed to remove the tank panel cover. So if you are changing your air filter and all, it's quite a little bit more easier. The just thing is you need to remove these two screws and remove this fuel connector, and you can remove entire this tank along with the panel, so no need to disconnect your panel. So this is the second time I'm disconnecting the panel, so till now. So that's it. So next I'll show you how to replace the what is it, I have this one more set of locks, not locks, tank caps, so I will show you how to interchange to them and swap this to a new unit.